car shows in the country, and it happens right here in Northeast Wisconsin.
NBC 26 photojournalist Josh Visti shows us how more than 100,000 classic car fanatics are transforming this small town.
I'm Joe Opperman. I'm the PR and Marketing Director here at the Iola Car Show. This is Iola 17. We've got 300 acres filled with 4,000 plus swap vendors. We've got better than 2,500 show cars plus for sale cars, so probably almost 3,000 cars here in total. We've got about 120,000 in attendance over 3 days and 30,000 volunteer hours that go into the show. Probably the top prize this year is the original Camaro. It's serial number N10001. The story behind how it was found is just incredible.
I was looking for my very first car, and so every day after school I would cruise the message board. One day when this car surfaced in 2009, where it was kind of a question thread, what our opinions of the VIN number would be. And so that's when I came across it. It was just lucky. If you're a Chevy guy, this is as coveted a car as you could ever hope to find. I mean, you could not put a price on this car.
This car was actually built 6 weeks before they even picked a name.
We fill up most of our 300-acre venue, which is really unheard of in car shows. We like to say we've got something for everybody.
I have a 1978 Volkswagen Riviera. Originally, this would have been a transporter van. It was converted by a company in Washington State as a camper. So this is just the Z seat. Folds flat for the bed. I get lots of smiles, lots of waves. All you gotta do is show it some love and it lasts.
There's people that come here for hot rods and custom creations. There's folks that come here to see drivers.
I've raced on 65 different tracks in the United States and Canada. It's a 1965 top fuel dragster. The thing that stands out the most is they look inside the cockpit and they can't believe somebody would sit there with their legs draped over the differential and the engine in front of you, which, you know, they've seen engines explode, and yes, they did. And we used to lose drivers 10 a year back in the day.
There's other big events, but there's not one like this with so much volunteerism, so much giving back. It's a small staff and it's a taxing but fun event. We've got 360 days to prepare and plan for this, and for us this is the Super Bowl.